This is a what's in the box for Aeons End Legacy, a co-op deck building game for 1 to 4 players. Each game takes about 60 minutes, and many people are familiar with Aeons End, but this is the Legacy version. Now, I'm only going to show you what you see when you first open the box, so there should be no spoilers, but this is the first time I'm opening the box myself. So it looks like there's some typos in the original printing, so keep that in mind if you buy one of the first copies. I'm guessing the first retail copies will have the same problems. There's a prologue, there is a quick setup guide, insight packs, which I'm not opening here. Let's see, insight 6, insight 8, insight 9, there's a whole bunch of insight packs. Wow, cool. So they have each chapter in an envelope. I'm guessing in the future you could potentially buy more chapters. There are the standard punch tokens for Aeons End, characters that you can create with standard Aeons End art. I think they look a little bit better than in the original thing, and I guess unlocks that you can get with each chapter. And looks like health dials, pretty standard. All the decks here, A, B, C, and D, which I assume, actually there's, I guess, stuff under here. And I thought this box was going to be able to hold all the expansions, but it looks like it is, with the insert, it's not going to be capable of. It's going to be, maybe you have to remove the insert. And the breaches. So there's your breaches for the breach mages. So I'm assuming we probably start out with less breaches, and we're going to get more throughout the game. So that is interesting. Let's see here. Well, I guess there's not much. You just get that. So there you have it. That is Aeons End Legacy. What's in the box? Keep an eye out for it on retail. This is the Kickstarter edition, which does have some extras in another box and buried secrets. I'll probably go through the extras here in the next video.